Hello, Monopoly enthusiasts! Trading stickers is a fantastic way to collaborate and strategize in Monopoly Go. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to trade stickers and enhance your game. Let's get started. Now for step 1 is level requirement. Before you dive into sticker trading, ensure that you've reached level 15 in Monopoly Go. This requirement unlocks the trading feature and allows you to connect with other players. Step 2 is accessing the album. Head to the album section within the game. This is where you'll find all your collected stickers. From classic properties to unique attributes, your album is a treasure trove of trading possibilities. Step 3 is choosing a sticker and trading. Pick a sticker you're willing to trade. Once you've made your choice, navigate to your friends list. Find a friend you're eager to trade with. Step 4. Initiating the trade. Click in your friend's profile and select the option to trade stickers. You'll be able to offer a sticker and see what your friend is willing to trade in return. In step 5. Confirm and complete. Once both parties have made their selections, confirm the trade. The stickers will be swapped, contributing to your Monopoly Go strategy. Voila! By following these simple steps, you will be well equipped to engage in sticker trading within Monopoly Go. Collaborating with friends and enhancing your sticker collection adds a new layer of excitement to the game. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Monopoly Go tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Now, go ahead and enjoy trading stickers and conquering the Monopoly board like a pro.